Hi, what do you think about the food at Taylor's?
When I think of Taylor's food, I always have to queue up for food.
So expensive. Limited choice.
Yup, these are some of the feedbacks from the students. Also, they often have to travel a long distance to reach for food. Worry no more, let us bring to you a proud solution. The Fifi Kitchen. We exist to provide affordable, healthy food and delivery service in campus. We do breakfast and lunch. These are a few of the healthy breakfast options. This dish is the best oats, which is made up of healthy ingredients such as rolled oats, cacao, soy milk, and so on. Here you see our lunch menus. This is our signature power lunch, which is full of proteins and energy that will help you power through the day. Now, how do we deliver? Straight to you! Please help us by funding our campaign so that our Fifi Kitchen dreams come true. Thank you!